Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are spotlighting the fabulous Divya Bharati and her stunning modern fashion choices that are taking the style world by storm. She is often seen in opulent gowns adorned with intricate embellishments, featuring bold colors and sophisticated silhouettes that highlight her glamorous persona. Her wardrobe also boasts a remarkable collection of fusion outfits, where she creatively combines Western and Indian elements, such as pairing a traditional kurti with jeans or wearing a modern top with a lehenga skirt, often enhanced by statement accessories like belts and scarves. Divya embraces edgy looks, incorporating leather jackets, thigh-high boots, and avant-garde silhouettes into her fashion repertoire. Evening wear for her is all about understated sophistication, favoring sleek, body-hugging dresses or chic cocktail attire in classic hues like black and deep jewel tones, accessorized with delicate jewelry. Her athleisure choices reflect her active lifestyle, with trendy hoodies, leggings, and sports bras making frequent appearances, typically paired with stylish sneakers for a look that blends comfort and modern style. Minimalism also plays a role in her wardrobe, with outfits that feature clean lines, muted colors, and light, flowing fabrics like cotton and chiffon, perfect for showcasing her natural beauty with subtle elegance. Her accessory game is equally on point, from statement jewelry pieces that elevate her traditional and edgy looks to functional yet stylish bags like clutches for formal events and crossbody bags for casual days out. Her makeup usually complements her outfits, with a natural look that focuses on either her eyes or lips, though she isn't afraid to opt for bold, dramatic styles when the occasion calls for it. Collectively, her modern fashion choices reflect her versatility and keen sense of style, making her a rising fashion icon who effortlessly bridges the gap between classic and contemporary fashion. Even when she's just out and about, her fashion game is strong. Take a look at this effortlessly chic outfit she wore while a simple yet stylish ensemble can speak volumes, and Divya proves that casual doesn't have to mean boring. Her preferred silhouettes range from mermaid cuts that accentuate her figure to voluminous ball gowns that add a regal touch to her appearance. The actress gravitates towards bold hues like crimson, emerald, and deep blue, as well as timeless shades like black and white. These colors not only enhance her presence but also reflect her confidence and bold persona. High slits, plunging necklines, and structured bodices are recurring elements in her red carpet looks, balanced by minimalist accessories that ensure the focus remains on the outfit. Her sari choices are often traditional in fabric but modern in drape or blouse design. She favors saris with intricate zari work or delicate embroidery, paired with off-shoulder or backless blouses that add a contemporary edge. Similarly, her lehengas, adorned with detailed embellishments and modern cuts, reflect a perfect fusion of past and present. Her collection of anarkalis and salwar kameez showcases her appreciation for classic Indian silhouettes. However, she often opts for modern adaptations like asymmetrical hemlines or cape-style dupattas that bring a fresh perspective to these traditional outfits. Traditional jewelry like heavy jhumkas, kundan necklaces, and ornate maan tikas are her go-to for complementing ethnic attire. She adeptly pairs these with modern pieces like statement cuffs or sleek clutches, creating a balanced and eye-catching look. The actress is often seen in high-waisted jeans paired with crop tops or oversized shirts. Her casual outfits are usually accessorized with stylish belts or crossbody bags, adding a touch of sophistication to her relaxed looks. Casual dresses and skirts with playful prints or simple designs are staples in her wardrobe. She prefers A-line cuts or wrap dresses that are both comfortable and flattering. Comfortable footwear like chic sneakers, ballet flats, or strappy sandals complete her casual ensembles, ensuring she remains stylish without compromising on comfort. Her traditional wear is no less impressive, frequently opting for saris, lehengas, and anarkalis that marry classical Indian designs with modern trends. Think unconventional drapes, off-shoulder blouses, and rich fabrics like silk and brocade, often paired with timeless jewelry like jhumkas or chokers. For casual outings, the beauty gravitates towards effortlessly chic ensembles like high-waisted jeans with trendy crop tops or playful casual dresses, typically complemented by comfortable yet stylish footwear such as sneakers or chic sandals. Her modern fashion choices are a vibrant and dynamic amalgamation of styles that seamlessly blend her innate sense of glamour with a contemporary edge. Her red carpet appearances are nothing short of breathtaking, often featuring lavish gowns that are a symphony of bold colors, intricate beadwork, and luxurious fabrics, crafted by esteemed designers like Manish Malhotra and Sabyasachi Mukherjee. These couture pieces, tailored to perfection, often feature dramatic silhouettes such as mermaid cuts, voluminous skirts, and high slits that highlight her statuesque frame. In stark contrast, her traditional attire captures the essence of Indian heritage, yet with a modern twist. The actress reimagines saris and lehengas with innovative drapes and contemporary blouse designs, choosing rich textures like silk and brocade adorned with modern prints or delicate embroidery, often accessorized with timeless jewelry that pays homage to Indian craftsmanship. When stepping into the realm of casual wear, she effortlessly adopts a chic and laid-back vibe, favoring high-waisted jeans, playful dresses, and crop tops paired with trendy sneakers or comfortable flats, blending high street fashion with luxury elements. Her affinity for fusion wear showcases her creativity, where she brilliantly merges Western and Indian fashion by pairing traditional pieces like kurtis with jeans or modern tops with lehenga skirts, often enhanced by statement accessories like belts and scarves that add a unique flair. Her bold side is evident in her edgy wardrobe choices, where she embraces leather jackets, thigh-high boots, and avant-garde silhouettes, experimenting with animal prints, metallics, and abstract patterns that push the boundaries of conventional fashion. Evening events see her in elegant and sophisticated outfits like sleek body-hugging dresses or chic cocktail attire in deep jewel tones, accessorized with delicate jewelry that complements her refined style. Her athleisure outfits reflect her active lifestyle, featuring trendy leggings, sports bras, and stylish hoodies that combine functionality with fashion, perfect for both gym sessions and casual outings. Minimalism also finds a place in her wardrobe, with monochromatic outfits and simple yet elegant designs that focus on clean lines and muted tones, allowing her natural beauty to shine through. Her use of color is masterful, whether she's making a statement with bold hues like vibrant reds and deep blues or opting for the subtle elegance of pastels and neutrals. Her fashion is not just about clothing but also about the finer details. She often collaborates with designers to create personalized pieces that are uniquely hers, featuring custom embroidery, tailored fits, and bespoke designs that reflect her personal style. Hairstyles and makeup play a crucial role in her fashion narrative, from sophisticated updos and sleek straight styles to dramatic eyes and bold lips, always complementing her outfits perfectly. Her street style is a testament to her ability to blend practicality with chuckness, effortlessly combining high street fashion with luxury pieces to create looks that are both functional and stylish. Influenced by pop culture and global trends, she draws inspiration from various fashion traditions around the world, blending elements from Japanese minimalism to African beadwork, creating a unique and eclectic style that resonates with a diverse audience. Her commitment to sustainability is evident in her choices, often opting for eco-friendly brands and timeless pieces that reduce the need for frequent new purchases, supporting the slow fashion movement. Overall, Divya Bharati's modern fashion choices reflect her versatility, creativity, and ability to seamlessly integrate various styles into a cohesive and personal aesthetic, making her a true fashion icon for a global audience. Divya Bharati's fashion choices are a perfect blend of elegance and modern style. From red carpet glam to casual chic and everything in between, she's a true style icon. If you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.